Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef John Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
We're making a tzatziki sauce, nice and light, and this is high protein sauce as well. I have here about a quarter cup of Greek yogurt. This is about 17 grams of protein. So you know 17 grams of protein we're packing, right? I'm gonna go in with that with about a tablespoon of olive oil. And you know olive oil for the healthy fats, right? Gonna hit that with a little bit of pink salt to taste, about a quarter teaspoon, nothing too crazy. We're gonna squeeze some lemon juice in here. So pro tip, use your hands like this to catch the seeds, right? So about that, I'm gonna say about a tablespoon. The rest in the fridge, because we're gonna use that later on. Wrap that in a piece of paper towel so it don't dry out on us, right? Gonna add to that 1 garlic clove and we're just gonna grate that in. Quarter of a large cucumber and we're just gonna grate that in. Washed and everything. Typically you would squeeze this to drain a bit of the juice, but I do not want this sauce to be thick. I need a nice thin sauce. If you want the sauce to be thick, you can squeeze out a bit of the juice from the cucumbers. Lastly, I want to add some fresh dill, about a teaspoon or so, but I don't have any fresh dill, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit of cilantro because I need that kick, right? I'm just going to use my scissors. This is already washed. As I said, dill is the ideal herb for this recipe, and we're going to mix. As I said before, I leave the liquid in here from the cucumbers because I want the sauce to be runny. Add a bit of that sauce to the bag for later on. Pour the sauce in here. Wrap up the remaining. So we're going to store this in the fridge. This can be stored up to a week. You use that across your grilled vegetables, on your meat, your rice dishes, your vegetables, you name it. So here we go.